Hello everyone! Today's explanation will be about changing a string to an integer. You may need to convert a string to a number so that you can use it in a calculation. Python language, for example, accepts all user input as strings, not numbers. Consider the following program in Python language is asking us to calculate the summation of two numbers entered by the user. So the first variable is called num1. We put in it the input, which accepts what the user enters. We put between brackets and quotations what we need to show to the user. We ask the user, please enter first number. So this sentence will be shown to the user to enter his first number. For example, if the user entered 3, the value 3 will be saved in variable num1. And we have the second variable that is called num2. We put in it the input, we put between brackets and quotations, please enter second number. So this sentence will also be shown to the user's page. So the user then enters, for example, number 5. So the value 5 will be saved in variable num2. Then we have the third variable that is called num3. We put in it the two variables, num1 plus num2. So now we're adding these two strings. And the value of them will be saved in variable num3. Then we need to print the sum of variable num3. So we put print and we open brackets and quotations the sentence that we need to show it to the user. We put the sum is, and then we close the parentheses and put comma, and we put the variable of the summation, which is num3, then we close the brackets. You would expect num3 to be 8. However, the program outputs the sum is 35 to the user. What has happened? The numbers are input as strings, and the plus symbol, when used with strings, means concatenation or joining the two strings together. So you need to convert each of the strings to integers or floating point numbers. So the corrected program would look like this. We put in variable num1 int, then we put the input which we want to show it to the user. So when the user entered number 3, it will be changed to integer and saved in variable num1. And num2 is like num1. We change the input which the user enters, which is number 5, to integer and save it in variable num2. So when adding the two variables num1 and num2, the program will add them, not concatenate them, and it will be saved in variable num3. So we use the print function to print the user the summation. We show the user the sentence the num is, and then we put comma and put the variable of the summation. Then we close the bracket. So this is the correct program. So the int function changed the variable type to an integer. So it can be used in calculation.